Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As you guys know, we've been discussing how to create an online web application from scratch. So today our task is to design a responsive product searching page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind. So as you can see, I have created my search products.php file over here, and if you check it out, we have the header over the top, and next we have a division over here where we have given a heading saying find your perfect skill. Next below that we have given a text saying discover expert-led courses across various topics, and below that we have a searching area over here, search the relevant products, and we have a search button over here. So below that we have another text saying 4 skills found for the UI search, so that's the result, how many skills were found in the result. So below that we have the results over here. So these are the 4 skills that have been found. So in each of the skill we have the level of the skill mentioned above, and next we have the image of the skill listed, and next the instructor or the one who has listed the skill, his name is appearing here. So below that the title of the skill, in this case professional photography, and under it we have the ratings. So currently this product has 5-star ratings. 5-star ratings have been given by 100 users, so this is the average rating. Next, on the bottom left side we have the price of the product, and on the right side we have arrow bar. So if we move over the products, you can see the image enlarges and the name of the title of the product highlights, and the button highlights too. So below that we have done some pagination over here. So this button is used to go to the first page, this to the previous, this to the first page, second, third, and currently we're in the second page. This button is used to go to the next slide for the page, and finally this button is used for the last page, if you want to jump to the last page. So below that we have the features section over here. So there are many features, so you can learn at your own pace, and we have expert instructors, and we have mentioned that the skills are at an affordable price. So finally we have the footer over here. So almost forgot, if you click on the skill, it takes us to the product view.php, so we can check the skill out in the single product view. So we can see the reviews and the instructor's details. So we created this in previous videos, make sure to watch it. Let's design this page using the byte coding. So this is my search products.php file I created. So here I check whether a session is created or not. If a session isn't created, then I set to create a session, and I have required the connection to PHP file. So we need this in the next video where we're going to program this file. And so these are where we have checked whether remember me tokens exist or not, and I have required the header over here. So these are designed starting from here. This is the main division tag. I have given the background color gray 50, so this is using Tailwind. And over here we have the header search area. So in this section we include our search bar and stuff. So inside this division over here we have the H1 mentioning find your perfect skill, and next we have a paragraph tag which includes discover expert-led courses across various topics, and next we have the search box area. So in the search box I have included that in a form. So inside the form I have given an input tag to take the input given in the search box. So I have made the autocomplete false. So that means the browser cannot suggest us previous inputs that the user gave. So type is text, placeholder is given as search skills, topics, instructors, etc. So we are given the search button below. So the type is submit, and we have made it yellow color in the search icon. Next we have the result counter. So the number of results are mentioned over here. So for now I have given a number as 4, for example. So next video will be programming this completely automatic. Next we have the result section. So in the result section the skills are appearing in this section. So I have created 4 skills for now. Let's expand one skill and check it out. So in skill we have an anchor tag first of all. So if we click on either place in the product card, it will take us to the product view.php file with the ID of the product one. Next we have the image. So of the image I have given the src of the result image, and inside the span tag I have given the level of the image, level of the product. Next to the content we have the seller, title, status row. So the seller is also an anchor tag. So if we click on the seller's name, it takes us to the seller profile.php. Let's click on it and check it out. So let me click on some area. So it takes us to the seller profile.php. This hasn't been designed yet, so it will be completed with future use. So next we have the title. That's an H3 tag. So next we have the stats row. So statistics are mentioned over here. In the span tag, I given a star image and or star emoji, and the number of the rating and the number of people rated. And next we have the price and arrow. So the price is mentioned inside the span tag, and the arrow we are given inside the division tag. So next we have the pagination. So all are given inside anchor tags. The previous I are given the title as first and previous. Likewise, we have done pagination. Let's program it in the next video. Next we have feature section. So let me expand one. So inside one of the features, I have given learn at your own pace, access course anytime, anywhere, on any device. So that's pretty much it. Finally, we have the footer.php. Hope you understood how to design a product search page. So this is one of the methods we can use. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video.